You know Google Maps, you can look at any street anywhere in America on your computer. So did Google really capture a UFO on camera? Sam is not buying it all, but people in Jacksonville, Texas are on high alert for an alien touchdown, and ABC's Jamie Boyum from our ABC station KLTV 7 News did a little investigating.
You don't even have to put in a street, just Jacksonville, Texas, and go to the street view, then pan around, and there it is. A thing that I don't know what it is. It looks like something from a low-budget 1950s flick.
And this is the bridge where Google Maps managed to capture an image no one can explain. Not even the people of Jacksonville.
Man, it's bright in Jacksonville. Anyway, the object, if it is an object, we're not saying it's an object, but it was shot right in front of the Landmark building at the 69 and 79 intersection, home of Sadler's Restaurant. And across the street, there's a Taco Bell. Maybe something was smelling lunch. Most people just said wow a lot.
Whoa, what is that?
Oh, wow.
Wow! What is it? I don't know what it is. Look at it.
Now, what is that? A car in the sky?
I looked up a dozen different cities and didn't find any similar anomalies. That must make Jacksonville special. You see anything?
Not yet.
Keep looking. Keep looking.
We're looking.
I'm going to stand here for the rest of the day, though.
Yep.
No one I spoke with had seen anything strange over Jacksonville, and although it could be a lens flare or an unexplainable reflection of some nearby object, I saw no indication of anything which fell under that umbrella. Jamie Boyum, KLTV 7 News.
And our thanks to our ABC station KLTV. They did contact Google for comment, but have not heard back.